Guest damages are bound to happen, but it still makes you cringe when you discover something broken after renting your property. Not only can the added expense be maddening, but the time and energy it takes to get it repaired and replaced is really annoying too. Sometimes things become damaged by a simple accident. Sometimes it's blatant and intentional. Either way, two questions always come up. One, who's going to fix it? And two, who's going to pay for it? Each and every guest who rents from us pays for accidental damage insurance to take care of the accidental issues. Furthermore, we also hold a credit card on file from each guest in case they cause damage or break the rules. With the experience we have at Naples Florida Vacation Homes, it's rare that an owner bears the headache and expense of guest damages. Not only do we limit the blow to the owner's pocketbook, we take swift action to get things fixed or replaced promptly. At Naples Florida Vacation Homes, guest damages are our headache, not the owner's. Our guest changeover specialists are trained to look for and report things that have been damaged to their supervisor. They document the issues with photos where possible. A member of our team will follow up to get the problem rectified as quickly as possible. Almost always, the owner is never even bothered by the nuisance or even the bill for things getting damaged by the guest. No-hassle guest damages are one of the many benefits of working with a professional vacation rental property management company. Renting made easy at NaplesFloridaVacationHomes.com.